Take our lead, let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
Gingerbread cookies should be soft. They should be supple. They should bend to your teeth before the cookie skin breaks and the crumbs fall all over you. They should retain a bit of elasticity, and maybe you can even leave your fingerprints on the cookie if you hold them too hard because you're just that excited. 5 December 2017.
Let's help you make your mark.
How to glue a gingerbread house together. To start assembling your houses, you will attach the sides to the front of the house. I dipped the one side of the front into the hot melted sugar and then pressed it against the side of the house. Hold it for about 15 seconds while the sugar cools and hardens.
Make your mark, take our lead.
Chilling it for at least 2 hours or overnight gives the ingredients a chance to absorb one another, making it a whole lot easier to roll out the dough without it cracking. Follow this tip, let the dough chill in the refrigerator, well wrapped, for at least 2 hours or overnight before rolling it out. 5 December 2016.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.